Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the Tombow Mono Air permanent adhesive tape runner. So this one has run out. This one has run out and I'm going to show you how to replace it. So first of all, you're going to need the Tombow Mono Air Touch Glue refills, which that number is Z1511. So we need to open that. There we go. So there we go. That. Put the other one away for next time. So you'll see how the shape of it. So you kind of match that. So open that. There's a little button. When I can get it to focus. It's a little button there that you push and poke up. Yeah, so push the little button down and pull up. So that opens it. Let me just move that down a little. So I just take that one out and you'll see the similar shape. And you just pick up the new one and pop it in on the, and then close the lid. And that's it. And now you're ready for crafting. All right then guys, I just thought I'd quickly show you how to change the refill. Change the refill. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm available on Facebook and on YouTube, Crafting with Jenny Francis. If you like what you see, hit thumbs up. And if you want to know more about my videos that get posted, don't forget to subscribe. All right then guys, catch you later. Keep crafting.